The question that we are solving in this video is find all duplicates in an array. So this is one of the medium question in LeetCode. Given an array of integers where the array elements is between 1 and n, where n is the size of the array, some elements appear twice and others appear only once. So and find all the elements that appear twice in the array. So if you see twice, once are highlighted, that means the elements either appear only once or they appear twice, not in any other frequencies. And they have asked if you could do it without extra space and in O of n runtime. So if we see in this example input, so the elements 2 and 3 are present twice and hence they appear in the output. One obvious way of doing this is we can use a hash map to store the count of all the elements, and we can again go through the hash map and see which are the elements that are present twice, and we can add it to the result. So but they have told that we should do it without any extra space, so this solution approach won't work for this. So this problem is based on augmenting the presence of the element in the same input array, so some concept similar to that. So what we can do here is, for simplicity, let's assume that the array is one indexed instead of 0 index. So just to understand this concept better, and what we can do is, so when I'll start from the first element, okay, I got 4. So the fourth index I would make it as a negative here. So this 7 becomes -7. I mean the value at the fourth index. And next I go to 3, and the third element I make it negative. So what does this negative signify? This negative signifies that negative signifies that when I this particular index, right? So here it is 3. So an element is present once here in the when I parse. So if that element is present once, it will make this negative. So now I go to 2 next. So second element I make it negative. Then I go to 7 and make 7th element as negative. And then I go to 8 here and 8th element as negative. And now I go to this element. So second element, right? When I come to the second element here, so this is already negative. So that means that I am visiting this element second time. So I'll put this to the output array. Next I go to 3, and in the third index when I see it's already negative, so that means that I have encountered once this 3 that made it negative, and I am getting it for the second time. So this also I'll put to the output array. Then I go to 1, which is positive, so I'll make it negative to make that it is the first time I am visiting it. So if we see the code here, what we are doing is, so I am making a list of integer, which is the output, what is the output required, and I am going through all the numbers, and here I am obtaining the index, and since the index is always has to be positive, I am taking the absolute value of it, and since the array is 0 indexed, I am making -1 here, and I am checking if it is already negative, so that is already I have encountered it once. So if it is already negative, I am adding it to the result. Otherwise, I am just making it negative. So this making it negative implies that I have found one element of that index location. And finally, after I go through this entire array, I return the result.